One of the benefits of a scanning system is we can have full visualization straight into our CAD in literally hours. One of the other benefits, of course, is how portable the system is. So we're able to take the equipment with us to a test, let's say, or a wind tunnel, and be able to scan directly there, bring the data immediately into our CAD and work with it. So that kind of portability of the systems and the flexibility of the systems is much greater, I think, than you would get with a traditional system. One of the benefits of working with T3DMC is we've got access to people who really know what they're doing in the world of metrology and scanning. We've got the kit, it's great, it's got massive potential, and we want to make sure we're using every last bit of that potential. We've had a great deal of on-site support, making sure we're getting, not just getting the best out of the equipment, but using it in exactly the right way for our needs. The software is quite intuitive and straightforward to use, but again, we need to know, are we doing it in the right way? The support has been pretty relentless by phone, by email. That's really helped us achieve what we need to do in a very short time frame. But one of the principal uses we've been using the Scantech equipment for is in the manufacturing of our Dakar frames. So these are steel space frames fabricated on site, very complicated products. About 1,000 parts go together to make a Dakar space frame, and you can imagine the amount of tooling that we could employ there could be massive and very, very high level of investment. One of the benefits of using the Scantech gear is we're able to scan it live during various assembly phases and check, are we getting the kind of results that we're looking for? Do we need to make any adaptations before it goes too far? We're probably saving a fortune in how we build the frames. But not only that, is we're able to turn them out very quickly and very repeatably.